Hello everyone and welcome back to MORGBORG Tech, here with a lot of 10 what I think are some pretty unique phones, as you will see. This cost me about $20 and some of these should have batteries, but they are all untested. So yeah, let's get into it. Here we can see it is all enclosed. Alright, so here we are with the phones right here. I'll go ahead and take them out of this pretty dirty bubble wrap here. So let's take a look at them here, starting with this AudioVox CDM8910. No battery, and I'm not sure if I have the charger for it or not. Can't quite get that charger port cover off. Here's the next phone here, which actually looks very similar to a phone I got recently, the Kyocera Energy on Telus, except this here is on Cricket. Let's see if it's the same model number, K493LC, whereas the one I had on Telus, which is the K494LC. Here's this LG on AT&T with the swivel camera. As you can see, pretty dirty. Battery looks good. This is the LG CU500V, and it does not have a SIM card. Here's a Samsung Snap on Altel. Has a slightly bloated battery, but I think it'll be just fine. Here's a Samsung on AT&T. Looks like a Java phone. SGH A887. Here's a Samsung on Singular. Pretty unique looking one. I haven't seen this one before actually. Battery looks good. It might be water damaged though. SGH D357. Here's a Samsung A650 on Verizon. And it looks like someone actually removed the battery pack from this, so there's no battery for this one. Not sure how they managed that either, without hurting themselves. Here's another Samsung on AT&T. Just a flip phone here. SGH A437. Might also be water damaged. Here's a pretty interesting looking Samsung phone on Sprint. I have never seen this one before. SCH 8500. It's got to be a pretty old one. And here's our last one, a Samsung on Altel. Mechanism here is a little stiff. This one looks good. SCH N330. I want to say this phone was released on multiple carriers actually, so it wasn't just an Altel phone back in the day. Bit of an older phone too. So anyways, as I will do sometimes with phone lots, I would post the updates for them in the description. However, I will not be doing that with this video, as I actually have another phone lot coming on the way. I believe it's another lot of 10, and I'll go ahead and combine this lot and that future lot into one update video. So you'll be seeing that in a few weeks. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, peace.